कई सरकार गिरा चुके अभी तक ये देश में। शहर में एक सीरियल किलर आया हुआ है।
Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal compared the BJP to a serial killer while referring to the recent non-BJP governments toppled across the country. Addressing a special assembly session, Kejriwal said the BJP toppled several governments in the country till date: Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Meghalaya. There is a serial killer in the city who is committing one murder after the other. People choose a government, they topple it, he said. The boss said the BJP has so far bought 277 MLAs, adding the saffron camp used money collected through GST and hike in petrol diesel prices to poach legislators. We have calculated that 277 MLAs have come to their party. Now, if they would have given 20 crore rupees to each MLA, then they have bought MLAs worth 5,500 crore. That's why there is inflation, as they are using all the money to buy MLAs at expense of common man, Kejriwal told media. Speaking about the raid at Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's residence in connection with the now defunctioned excise policy, Kejriwal said the raid continued for 14 hours, but not a single penny was found. No jewelry was found, no cash was found, no documents of any land or property were found, and no incriminating document was found. Nothing was found. It was a false raid. He added vested interests are now trying to bring down the Delhi government. The Delhi Chief Minister further said the BJP's Gujarat fortress is under threat and crumbling, adding the latest ED and CBI raids on his party are due to the upcoming assembly polls in the western state. Stating that the BJP-led centre wants to stop the good work being done in schools, Kejriwal said Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena has now started a probe in Delhi government-run schools. He also hit out at the centre for not allowing him to visit Singapore. I was stopped from addressing mayors in Singapore about the good work of the Delhi government by those against the country's progress, Kejriwal said.